Jai Hind. Here is maths problem. 3 raised to power minus 2 into 6 square into square root 98 upon 5 square into cube root of 1 upon 25 into 15 power minus 4 over 3 into 3 power 1 over 3. First we make them exponential. So we know that 3 is prime number. So we leave it as it is. 6 is not prime number. So 6 is written as 3 into 2 in prime number. And 98 is not a prime number. So we convert 98 as 2 into 7 into 7. And this sign is half power. This sign indicate half power. Square root means half power upon 5 square is prime. 5 is prime number into 1 upon 25. So it is written as 5 into 5. Its power is 1 over 3. This sign indicate 1 over 3 power, cube root. It is called cube root. Into 15. 15 is not prime number. So it is written as 3 into 5 into prime numbers. Its power is 4 over 3. Into 3 power 1 over 3. Now we see negative power and positive power. So negative power convert into positive when we switch from numerator to denominator or denominator to numerator. So in numerator 3 power minus 2, it become positive power when we switch this number in denominator. So 3 power 2 is positive. Now similarly in denominator there is 5 into 3. Its power is minus 1 over 3 minus 4 over 3. So it become in numerator plus 4 over 3. And rest we write as it is. And since what we rule use here, the rule here is the rule we are here using is first remaining terms we write as it is. Its power we write as it is. So now there is the term 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6. One term is left. What we have left, that is 5 square. We write as it is 5 square. Now there is all terms are positive. So in denominator this is 1 upon 5 into 5. It comes in the numerator and this one left in the denominator. So 1 power is 1 by 3 is 1. So we send this 5 into 5 in numerator, and this bracket when we open, so individual number has power. So it becomes 3 power 2 into 2 power 2 into 2 power 1 over 2 into 7 power 1 over 2 into next 7 power 1 over 2 into 5 power 4 upon 3 into 3 power 4 upon 3 upon 3 power 2 into 5 power 2 and this 5 into 5 power 1 over 3 we write in numerator in the end. So 5 into 5 we write in the end. Its power 1 over 3 1 over 3 into so in denominator 3 power 2, 5 power 2 and 3 power 1 over 3 we write as it is. Now we see 3 power 2 in numerator, 3 power 2 in denominator cancel out. Similarly we add all the same base. We know that a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So this is the identity. We are using 2 power 2 plus 1 over 2 in numerator. Similarly 7 power 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2. Similarly 5 power same base and power added. So 5 power 4 upon 3 plus 1 over 3 plus this 1 power 1 over 3 we add them into 3 power 4 over 3 After writing complete numerator, now we see in denominator 5 power 2 into 3 power 1 over 3. We see in 2 power 2 plus 1 over 2, it becomes 5 over 2. 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5 over 2. 2 power 5 over 2 into 7 power half plus half, it become 1 power 7 into 5 power, the base is same, numerator and denominator is same, so 3 3 3, so numerator will be added, 4 plus 1 plus 1, it gives us 6 upon 3, that means 2 into 3 power 4 upon 3 upon 5 square into 3 power 1 over 3. So 5 square, this is 5 square in numerator and this is 5 square in denominator, so they will cancel out. And similarly, this 3 power 1 over 3, 3 power 4 upon 3, we use the law a power m upon a raised power n, it can be written as a raised power m minus n. So this power will be subtracted, so 2 power 5 over 2 into 7 into 3 power 4 upon 3 minus 1 over 3, power subtracted, so 4 minus 1 is 3 by 3, it means 3. So 2 power 5 over 2 into 7 into 3, 7 3 is 21, and 2 power 5, half power means square root sign, so it gives us 21, and 2 power 5 is 2 into 2 into 2 5 times, so 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32, square root 32. This is the answer. This is the answer. I hope you have enjoyed, understood. Okay.